Making Geo Crystalfly figurine as a DIY project. First, we 3D printing it. I made the 3D design myself on Blender. Then we clean 3D printed miniature, ripping off the supports, cutting off bubbles and strings, and sanding it. I am leaving you with this crunchy sounds. I used 120 grit and 240 grid sandpapers for sanding. We continue with painting. At first, I apply primer painting to create a better surface for paint to stick on it. I do it with white acrylic paint by applying it multiple times to create a thick layer. Have you ever made a DIY or an art project yourself? If yes, when was it and what did you make it? Tell me in the comments. Then we switching to actual painting. I use different colors there by staying loyal to the original version of it. I use metallic brown with some scarlet touches, orange for crystal core and wings, yellow for shining parts of wings. I paint the figurine slowly to make the painting correct. I use pinpoint brushes for narrow and little points and cat tongue brushes for bigger areas with borders. And I also painted several times to increase paint's saturation and decrease its transparency. I just recorded the first layer of painting because there is no need to watch the same thing again and again. It took me a couple of hours to finish it. I am actually satisfied with the results. It resulted better than I imagined. And here is the results. Did you like it? If you did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe my channel to watch more making videos like this. Thank you.